Hey guys, Crystal here, and we're back. I tell you, y'all, I'm telling you, every little step I take to make a video, something always happens. It's like there's something in this universe saying, no, Crystal, you can't make soap today. Nope, you can't make a video today. But I am finally here. It is about 9:30 at night. It's Saturday, and I've been trying to prepare this for 3 days now. But we're finally here, so I couldn't find my red bowl. Was actually smaller. This one's my old soaping bowl, so I'm hoping that it's not too big because I'm only doing 2-pound soaps, and I'm hoping that it doesn't splash everywhere. So, alright, so today in my lye water, I've got lye, salt, sugar, and Tessa Silk. And we're doing a scent today. We are actually doing black cedarwood and juniper, which smells so good. Oh my god, I love this stuff. It's actually the very first one soap that I'm making that's not a test soap because I've already tested my recipes. I'm also using heavy whipping cream, and yes, this is clean. It's just stained right there. And the colors that I'm going to use today, I'm using black oxide, and I've already got it in, I don't know if you guys remember my video of my colorant making, but this, we're using black oxide, and then I've got peacock blue from Micah Zamora, yeah, from Micah Zamora. So we're going to have those two colors, and then I'm going to have the base color white, and I think I'm just going to do a in the pot swirl today. And we're doing just a 2-pound batch. So, yeah, so let's go ahead and get going, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and blend some of this lye up because it has been setting for about 2 days and it got crystallized. And when it gets crystallized, I don't strain it. I just go ahead and blend it up. I mean, I used to strain it, and then I seen the lady Katie from Royalty Soaps. I've seen that she just you know, grinds it up. So let's go ahead and get that in there. Trying to get all of it in there. And then we're going to blend that up, and then I'll add my heavy whipping cream to it. And I did a little experiment like years ago with coconut milk, goat's milk, and heavy whipping cream. And the heavy whipping cream had by far the best lather with all of it. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one in this recipe. So let's go ahead and get this blended up. And then just a little bit. Go ahead and add our heavy cream. And then you can just get the heavy cream from any grocery store. I keep it at room temperature. Well, I don't keep the whole thing at room temperature. I do put it in the refrigerator, but when I go to make a soap, I'll get it at room temperature. So let's go ahead and get that mixed up. And I'm going to go ahead, because this is the very first time I've done a video, with actual fragrance in it. So I'm just going ahead and put the fragrance in there, because I got to get back in the group of things, guys. Or the groove of things anyway. And what better way just to dive right in. My 7-year-old's laughing at me. You will not believe how good this stuff smells. Oh my god. Why are you giggling? She's been asking me all day, you gonna do the video, Mom? You gonna do it? You gonna do the video? I'm like, yes, Elena. I'm gonna do the video. So. I'm crazy, just a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and separate it out. And, because you guys know I like to measure my, I like to measure it out with my layers and stuff. So, what exactly I'm going to use for each color. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Come on, baby.
What's this say?
You are amazing. That's what it says. Why don't you sound it out? I know you can.
I didn't know.
I'm going to go ahead and just use that one instead of dirtying up another one. You are in first grade, but you can still read. Yes, you can. No, you're not. You're still learning. Alright, so there's those. And I'm going to go ahead and, now that I have a tripod, I'm going to go ahead and do a cutting video of the other soaps that I made, my test soaps. I have not cut them yet because I wanted to actually videotape that. So, oh, let me get my TV. Alright. So, I got titanium dioxide going in the big one. And these two are the same amount. I love the way this stuff smells. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Mama, I think you're going a little bit crazy.
I haven't gone crazy. So, black oxide going in. And then the peacock blue.
I'm the oldest in this house.
You're the youngest in the house, actually. Okay. Go ahead and blend that up. We'll do the white first. And then the blue and the black. One thing I've noticed about this this recipe is it does stay fluid, but this is the first time I've tried it with a fragrance. So, and so far it's doing pretty good about staying fluid. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this blue. Look how pretty that blue is. Can you see it? That's so pretty.
Of course they can, Mom.
Okay. Now this is a mint soap.
No.
Okay. Alright. And like I said, we're just going to do it in the pot swirl. So let's get these together. Let's show you those colors one more time. Blue is so gorgeous. And that is the black oxide.
Mama, say you're cheating on red. You love red.
Red is my favorite color, but we're not doing red today. Elena. Okay, so I'm going to go in one corner high up, another corner high up, and we will scrape out that from the top, and then I'm going to go in with the black. And then we'll save that for the top. And I'm just going to run it around just like that. Get my mold. And we're going to go ahead and pour. I'm still working on the camera angles and all that. Oh my gosh, it's going to be pretty, you guys. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Back up, baby. I don't want the soap getting on you, okay? That is so pretty.
That is. It's white, blue, and black.
It is white, blue, and black.
Just like your color. Well, there ain't no blue on it, but it's
Well, my
red.
shirt's blue.
Yeah, but on your apron it's red, white, and black and white.
Okay. That is so pretty. That is going to be gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and do the top. Let me see. I think I might just like drizzle it on there like this. Let me do a little bit and then switch to the blue. And then we'll do like a kind of pretty design on top. I don't even know if I'm in the camera shot here. I'm going to learn how to do all this camera stuff all over again. So there's that one. Let's do the blue. This is going to be so pretty. It smells amazing. This has always been one of my favorite men's fragrances. Always. And this peacock blue with this black looks absolutely amazing. I know that in the pot swirl is going to look good too when it's done. And I'm out of sodium lactate, so I am trying some sea salt. Hopefully that'll work. And I don't know if you guys remember, if you've seen it, but with my last video, I told you guys that I was thinking about changing the name of my business. And I think I've decided that I'm actually going to do that. And I'm not going to change it drastically. I would like to get your guys' opinions on it though. I think I'm going to change it from Sea Light Candles and Soaps just to Sea Light Soapery. I kind of like that. That way you guys know, you know, it's the Sea Light. It's unique. Nobody else has that in their name. And even though I did start out doing candles, I mean, I don't really do candles anymore. I do more tarts than candles. Let me get something to do the top with. So, yeah, I'm seriously thinking about changing it to just Sea Light Soapery. So, what do you guys think about that? Do you guys like it? Elena just whispered, I like it. I do, I like it too. So this is actually my first actual soap that is not a test soap. And I can already see that it's going to be really, really nice. So, alright guys, so there we go. This is our men's soap. This is Black Cedarwood and Juniper. Look at that. Look how pretty. Gorgeous. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn the camera off. And I'm going to clean up my table, and then I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to cut the other two soaps of my first two videos that are test soaps. But I have more test soaps than that, but those are just the ones I did on video. So let me get this cleaned up, and then that'll be a separate upload. So we will be back with the cutting of this one. All right, guys, bye-bye. And we're back to cut the Black Cedarwood and Juniper. Look how pretty. Now, I did use a black oxide instead of activated charcoal, so it's not that bright, and I gelled it. So I like to gel my soaps. In the cutting video, my last video, I told you guys I was missing my sodium lactate, but because the other two soaps was really hard to get out of the mold, so I told you that with this one, I used sea salt. And look, guys, look how good that looks. I unmolded in about 18 hours, so that is freaking awesome. So, for those of you that were saying use salt, I think maybe you guys might have missed it in the last video, but I did use salt in this one. So, if everything turns out good, I mean, so far it's really good and hard. I just, the only reason why I never really liked using salt is because it hinders the lather. So. But I'm used it on this one, and we'll see how it turns out once it cures. Come on, Crystal. Oh, it's going to be pretty, I can already tell. But, I still miss my sodium lactate. That's alright. That's kind of pretty. Where's my paper towels? There they are. It smells so good. Alright, look here. Oh, it is pretty. Look at that. Look at the swirls. Now these are, you know, smaller bars because I'm only doing 2 pounds right now. So, trying to get back like in the swing of things and making videos. And then when I made the last 2 videos, the cutting video of my test batches and then the making of this one, I forgot how fun it was, you guys. It was, oh, I loved it. It was like, you know, nothing in that world mattered at that moment right there. And that's one of the reasons why I love soaping so much, is because it kind of takes my brain off stuff, because I have bipolar disorder, and my brain is, oh, that's pretty. Look at that. My brain is constantly going. So when I have something to concentrate on, like if it's my soaps or if I'm crocheting or making tarts or anything like that, it kind of like just slows my brain down to where I'm just thinking on that one thing and it's not going 100 miles an hour. So I really like the swirls in this though, and it smells so good. I tell you what, if I walked by a man just walking down the street or wherever and I smelled him and he smelled that good, oh, never mind, Crystal. My eyes would be out the back of my head. Oh, I just can't stop smelling it. It just smells so good. And the pop swirl looks really pretty too with the designs. It's like, it's not delicate. It is like I don't know, like manly. It's not really girlish at all. And that's what I was going for. So that looks so good. My kids are on spring break this week. Elena is upstairs in the bathtub. She's wanting to take a bath. Isn't those pretty? The top. Oh. And this one's about a good size, so I'm not going to cut it. Oh, alright guys, so I don't know if most of you have seen, but I did change the name of my company. I already changed my YouTube channel, but instead of See Like Candles and Soaps, it's just See Like Soapery. So I'm in the process of I tried to change my Facebook page, the name of it, but it's not letting me for some reason. So I might have to contact Facebook and see what's going on. But alright, so until later on guys, see you later, bye.